Welcome everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Kuromi. Let's begin in the center of the page and draw the top of the eyes. We're going to start on the left side, draw a straight angle line going up and then out. Line this up on the right side. Now I want to draw the bottom of the eye. I'm going to draw a half oval, coming down and then back up. Let's fill the eyes in black. Now I'm going to add 2 lashes on either side, bending this out and then up. Let's move to the center and draw a small circle for the nose. Then we'll move down and draw the top of the mouth, coming down and then up, and add a small line on the ends. Let's go up in the center, add a point. I'm just going to angle the head, going up and out toward the left and right side. Now I'm going to connect the ends with a large oval going around the face. Now let's move up and draw a circle with a gap along the bottom. So we'll start on the bottom left, going all the way around. And we'll add 3 bumps for the teeth across the bottom. Let's add 2 circles on either side for the eyes. And then we'll draw the outside of the head, starting from the bottom left, going all the way around, go up above the skull, come around and then down towards the right. Now let's draw in the ears. Starting on the left, draw a straight line going up on either side. Angle this up and out towards the end. Go straight down towards the bottom. And then angle this back in. Let's add 2 circles on the tip of the ears. And now I'm going to move down and draw in the color. Starting in the center, angle this down and out toward the left and right side. Go up and then out. Go straight out towards the ends. And then angle this back up and in underneath the head. Let's add a circle on the tip of each point. Now underneath the collar, let's draw in the arms. We're going to go out, around, and then in towards the side. Let's curve the body, coming down and in towards the legs. Now on the left side, I'm going to draw the leg going out, around, and then up. And we'll close off the body with a curve. Now I want to add the tail coming out from the left side, starting from the hip, going out and then up. Let's add a point, going out, come across the bottom, and then in towards the side. Now it's time to art and add a splash of color. And there's a cute cartoon drawing of Kuromi. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.